Hello everyone. Welcome back to Silent Infotech. Are you using Odoo's TreeViews to display data? You might be aware that you can't download this data, but it's possible now. Introducing Download TreeView PDF module. This module provides a solution to export TreeView data as a PDF. It allows users to generate a PDF document styled for professional presentation, including table formatting and responsive design. Download the generated PDF directly from the browser. Let's get started. We will start with installing the module. That can be found in Odoo apps under name Download TreeView PDF. Now we will try to generate PDF. To do so, we will go to any TreeView in this system and generate PDF. Now let's go to Apps, and then open Sales Data. Generate the PDF by clicking on Export PDF button. The report is generated. Let's check it. You can also apply filter and then generate the PDF. Let's see how to do that. Here I'm applying filter for Salesman Mark. And now click on Export PDF. As we can see, sales orders with Mark PDF is generated. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find this feature useful.